They told you, AI was coming to make your life easier. What they really meant was, it would make things cheaper. For them, think about it. We've been sold this shiny, futuristic dream of artificial intelligence as a friendly helper. A digital sidekick that would handle the boring stuff, freeing us up to pursue our passions, to create, to live more fully. It sounds great, doesn't it? A world where robots do the grunt work while we write poetry and learn to paint. But let's take a hard look at the reality unfolding around us. This isn't about liberation. This is about replacement. AI isn't just taking over repetitive tasks on a factory line anymore. It's writing code, designing graphics, drafting legal documents, even composing music. These aren't just jobs. For many, they are careers, they are passions. They are a core part of their identity and purpose. The narrative is that automation frees humans. But what does it free them? Asterisk for asterisk. A life of uncertainty. A constant struggle to find a new place in a world that is being systematically optimized to function without them. The real conversation isn't about AI taking our jobs. It's about it taking control of human purpose itself. When the things that give our lives meaning and structure can be replicated by an algorithm for a fraction of the cost, where does that leave us? This isn't a new story. It's the oldest story in the book of industrial progress. Every single technological leap, from the steam engine to the internet, has been driven by one primary goal: efficiency. And efficiency is just a polite word for cutting costs and maximizing profit. It has never, ever been about empathy. It has never been about the well-being of the individual worker. The Industrial Revolution displaced millions of artisans. The digital revolution hollowed out entire industries. Now, the AI revolution is poised to do the same, but on a scale we've never seen before. You aren't just a line item on a spreadsheet that can be made more efficient. You are being optimized out of the equation entirely. Don't just take my word for it. Let's look at the data. The World Economic Forum, not exactly a radical organization, published a report projecting that AI and automation will displace 83 million jobs by 2027. That's not a typo. 83 million jobs, gone in just a few short years. At the same time, look at the corporate world. Companies implementing AI tools are reporting record profits. Their stock prices are soaring. But are we seeing a corresponding rise in wages for the remaining human employees? Are they sharing in this newfound wealth? Absolutely not. In fact, for many, wages have stagnated for decades. The pattern is crystal clear and undeniable. Every wave of innovation enriches the owners of the technology, the shareholders, the C-suite executives. The benefits rarely, if ever, trickle down to the workers whose roles are being diminished or eliminated. The promise was that technology would create a bigger pie for everyone. The reality is that a few people are just getting much, much larger slices of the same pie, while everyone else fights for the crumbs. Think about the tools you might even be using right now. AI that helps you write emails, design presentations, or analyze data. They're amazing, right? They make you more productive. But here's the uncomfortable truth. They're also training themselves on your work. Every prompt you enter, every edit you make, you are providing free labor to refine the very system that will one day make your skills redundant. It's a brilliant, almost diabolical, business model. You pay for the privilege of training your own replacement. The goal isn't just to have an AI that can do your job. It's to have an AI that can replicate your asterisk output, asterisk, your creativity, your unique style, without needing you, your salary, your healthcare benefits, or your vacation days. So what do? Do we smash the machines? Do we protest and try to hold back the tide? That's a losing battle. You can't fight the future. The solution isn't to fight AI. The solution is to understand it, to master it, and to leverage it for yourself. The power dynamic is shifting. In the past, value was in labor. Soon, value will be in the ability to command the technology that performs the labor. The future doesn't belong to the person who can swing a hammer the best. It belongs to the person who can operate the robotic arm that swings 1,000 hammers a minute. It won't belong to the graphic designer who is a master of Photoshop. It will belong to the creative director who can prompt an AI to generate 1,000 design variations in seconds and has the vision to pick the winner. You have to change your mindset from being a worker to being an operator, a commander, a strategist. Start learning how these systems work. Don't just be a passive user of AI tools, become an expert in prompting, in refining, in integrating them into complex workflows. Think about how you can use AI to build your own thing, to start your own business, to create your own value, instead of just generating value for someone else's company. The people who are afraid of AI are the ones who will be replaced by it. The people who master it will be the ones doing the replacing. This is a wake-up call. The comfortable, predictable career path of the 20th century is dead. The idea that you can learn one skill and coast on it for 40 years is a fantasy. We are entering an era of perpetual adaptation. You need to become a lifelong learner, constantly updating your skills, not just to stay relevant, but to stay in control of your own destiny. Don't let yourself be a passive victim of this technological shift. Become an active participant. The ultimate moral of this story is a chilling one. They don't just want to replace you. They want to own your output, your creativity, your very essence, without ever having to deal with the messy, expensive human that produces it. Your only defense is to become the one who owns and commands the means of production. Your mind, augmented by AI, is the new factory. Own it. Thanks for sticking with me through this. It's a heavy topic, but it's one we all need to be thinking about. If this gave you a new perspective, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into how technology is really shaping our world. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you worried about AI, or are you excited? Let's talk about it. See you in the next one.